am ready to answer your questions.
Henry Uri, DZRH.
Mr. President, magandang gabi po sa inyo.
Magandang gabi.
First question po, after 13 days na maitalaga si Vice President Leni Robredo as ICAD Vice Chair, kumusta po yung assessment ninyo sa kanya? Masaya po ba kayo o tatanggalin na po ninyo siya?
Kindly sit down.
Thank you po.
Okay. Because it should take a little bit longer to answer. You know, she had so many qualms, complaints about the drug war. And probably she wants to know why persons are killed and why we are being blamed for such deaths. We kept on denying, because it is the truth, that we have no hand in extrajudicial killings. And that is why I required PTB4 to post part of my briefer the previous night, because it is there where all arrests and incidents about drugs all throughout the Philippines are being posted. So you would know, makikita mo kung sinong namatay, sino hindi. And you notice that probably in 2 or 3 publications, there's 1, 2, or 3 namatay. But it is not really that many. As you can see, the symbol there is AAA, that's arrested. At saka yung N, it's neutralized. So yun ang patay. Added to that, sinabi ko sa kanya, tingnan mo, kasi malalaman mo. The other deaths, you cannot attribute it to the drug situation. Hindi lahat ng patay itapon mo doon sa parang when you say extrajudicial killing, it really means that it is the government doing it. That is what is it all about. So yung lahat ng patay na walang suspect, ikaw ay mong extrajudicial killing, lahat naman talagang killing are extrajudicial. Ngayon, kaya sabi ko, tinignan mo. You might want to join, participate, cooperate. Why not you